Hi, I'm Veda. I'm part of the first robotics team, Team 2377, at Chesapeake High School. We're made up of a total of 32 students and several mentors. I'm here to talk about our production of the Phoenix version 2 model 3D printed hand. We made our hands from 3D printed files that were available on the E-Nable website. The hands were made on our Stanley Model 1 3D printer using 1.75mm and 2.85mm PLA filaments. These hands can do a variety of things. They are also very affordable. Each part is very well made and has excellent quality. We use Lee Tippy gel grips for the fingertips. Now Alex will show you how these hands work.
Hi, my name's Alex. I'm in the Business Subteam of Team 2377 at Chesapeake High School. I'm here to talk about the functionality of the Phoenix version 2 3D printed model hand. We assembled the Phoenix 2 hand using the assembly kit patched through the 3D universe. As you can see, the hand is functional. The hand has grips on the fingers to grab and pick up items. The Velcro on the hand is adjustable to each person's wrist size, and you can adjust the tension by tightening and loosening screws. The hand is also sturdy and put together with consideration. We did not have any problems with either fabricating or assembling this hand. We printed and assembled another hand and used that to practice. And the best part, how inexpensive the hand is to make. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video was helpful for you and the people who need it.